fishing. John, Wade, and I are up. John's gone out for a canoe by himself. The girls are still all sleeping. It's extremely quiet. I think I got some moisture in the lens. There we go. Girls are all asleep in this tent. It was so quiet last night. Not a sound at all. Okay, everybody's up now. Willy's getting the breakfast fire going. There's Johnny. Had a little shower. Uh-oh, he's got the video camera. He's sticking it in. Hey! How are you ladies? Who's that? Michelle? There's Sari Bear. How'd you sleep, Sarah?
Wonderful with my shoulders. Yes. My right one.
Maybe Johnny will give you the air mattress because he doesn't want it.
You got toothpaste on me last night.
Nice.
Toothpaste everywhere.
Here. Probably some down here.
Just strolled it out.
There were like no noises last night.
I know, it was perfectly quiet.
Snoring. Yeah, I could hear you snoring a couple times. I didn't hear.
It was too quiet, I couldn't sleep.
You're nuts. It was too quiet for a little while. They're laying with their heads, like, not the way we laid, but...
Not lengthwise, crosswise.
You guys are taller than us.
Yeah.
That's weird. I didn't know that.
Sarah?
Yeah?
A chipmunk just chewed a hole in your toiletry bag. He sat here and watched it.
Nice.
Oh, you watched it. You didn't stop it?
You didn't even get to my...
Chipmunks chewing holes in our toiletry bags.
Must be something in this one that tastes good, I guess.
I don't know what's in there that he would want. There he is. He's a brave little guy.
He keeps coming back, Sarah. Or actually, I think it's Michelle's bag. This one right here.
John.
No, that's Sarah.
John.
Do your thing with your mouth, John.
Can I?
I like to stick one in there.
That's what that's for.
Oh, that's why it's a rough surface.
You're on candid camera, Willy. This is probably the first camping trip you've ever been on with a video camera. Probably the last. I'll give you a copy of the tape when we get home. Willy's cooking the world's best French toast here.
We have a testament
Amazing.
that this is edible and good. For your
Right.
danger.
Well, I'll second that.
Smile. For the camera.
I'll get a personal testimony here. How is the French toast?
Good.
It's good. It looks good.
Good for
We even have syrup and butter on it. Oh my goodness. The girls are out swimming, having a little morning swim. Going out for a little day trip. Still Tuesday, we had breakfast. There's all three Shoots kids paddling. There's Wade and Pick. Empty canoe now. Nice and lightweight. Except for me. Okay, I'm gonna help John paddle. Are trolling for our lunch.
Courtney working hard.
Yeah. Willy trying to catch some supper.
Drop your line down and see how far it goes.
I think we found a rock to jump off of, but I'm not jumping off of it. Hey, Willy's got a bite. Where is it? All right.
The smallmouth bass.
What is it, a bass?
Yeah.
Big?
12 inches.
Put it right on the yellow. Or on what? Yes.
See the bottom? It's probably about 5-6 feet deep here. There it goes into the water. We're still in Booth Lake. We're headed towards a river. We're gonna check out the river and see how the paddling is on it. We do a little paddling and portaging today. You guys don't look too anxious to jump in there. Oh, there goes Willy.
What's that, baby?
Oh my god.
Sarah! Evan? What did?
I told her
This is our lunch. Tortilla shells, summer sausage, cheese, gorp, peanut butter, jelly, granola bars, tuna fish, mustard.
Sarah's using a stick to put peanut butter on her tortilla.
Oh, I got some wood in there.
But we forgot to bring silverwares.
Anyone else?
We're on top of a big hill. We just canoed almost to the northern end of the lake because we checked out the map and found out there was a river up here. But we didn't make it the whole way before everybody decided to go swimming. I'm gonna finish my lunch. This is John signing off.
Here's lunch. Here's
Nap time.
nap time. Courtney's feet. Oh, there's some more feet. Oh, there's an earthquake! Oh! Help! We're gonna die! Oh, we're gonna stop! No! Oh, it won't stop! Oh my god! We got some fish. Corey caught one and Willy caught one. And they're having fun together. This is pretty much what they do all week. They get up at 6 o'clock. Where's Wade Dog? Can't see Wade Dog. Oh, there he is.
At least 3 times.
They get up at 6 o'clock and they fish for 3 hours and don't catch anything. And then they skip lunch and fish and catch a lot. Alright, let's see some action, fellas. There's Wade Dog. Wade, have you got anything yet?
Yeah, but like 5.
Whoa, 5 fish. That's a lot. Let's go to the spectators. Oh, there they are. They're enjoying the intense action we have for you today. What's that supposed to mean? Oh, yes. We have a little theft on our hands.
No, just borrowing.
Oh, right. They will never realize it because they're so intense. Let's see what Corey's up to. Oh, picking his nose. I caught him. It's on video, Corey. He's taking a yawn.
Big difference from the one. Oh, I think I broke it.
Broke it.
Well, don't reel it, you'll ruin my legging. Okay. Not real.
Oh, she saved the day. Sarah is the queen of fishing. There's Shell Dog looking cool. John is dumb. Did you get that, huh?
I didn't get that. She said John is dumb. That's a paddle. Thank you, Wade.
No problem.
Let's zoom right in on Wade's face. Because he obviously... Oh.
Try not.
There he is. This is John Shoots signing off.
It comes out of Booth Lake, actually flows into Booth Lake. Maybe a half a mile or so. And it's gotten too shallow to navigate. So we put the canoes up on shore. Of course, it's beautiful and secluded here. Catching crayfish and frogs to fish with, I guess. Crayfish in John's Nalgene bottle. And here come the ladies from their expedition.
What do we do with that last Algonquin Park? Got another little crayfish. Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Michelle, our streambred climber, invented a new sport called streambed climbing.
Get up. Anyone trying the queen? I'm the only person who's ever done it.
And we made it back from our day trip. And Chef Willy is preparing a very creative meal tonight. Rice and mock crab.
Some fish.
And possibly some fish. With a little cheese and summer sausage hors d'oeuvres.
Which Sarah tried today.
Sarah tried it. She had about 1/10 of an ounce.
Of what? Sausage? You don't like it?
Did you like our outing today?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Did you like your horizontal stream bed climbing?
That was fun. Horizontal stream bed climbing.
Yeah. She's creating a new sport.
HSBC. I'm like, what's HSBC mean? What are we talking about?
John's taking a nap. Now we got Michelle and Courtney.